Hey everybody, Ken Madden from Ciro. Today I want to show you how to install our adjustable comfort passenger peg mounts. So to start out with, this is what comes in the kit. Now I'm only showing you the right side right now, so the left side will be double all of this, but you have your arm, your clevis, your D-washer, the split ring washers, and these are your 3 bolts that you'll need, and of course the mount that goes to the bike. Pay careful attention to these 2 right here. These are fine thread and one's longer than the other one. So that will come into play in a minute, which I will show you once we go install it on the bike. So first what you want to do is do a little bit of pre-assembly, very, very simple. So make sure you have this splined end out. We're going to take the long bolt here, just run it through, and this spline side to spline side, just like this. And now we're going to take this over to the bike and we'll mount it. First order of business here is to make sure that this mount for your passenger board is in the right place. So there's 2 bolts here that you need to loosen up. Now the bottom one, just a 1/4 inch Allen head, you just loosen it a little bit. Now I pre-loosened this. It's usually hard to break, so I'm just loosening it a little bit. And then this top bolt you want to take out, and you want to remove this one completely. Now this is the part that a lot of people don't even realize with these bikes, is that this whole thing, this whole unit slides up and down. And for the order for this to work, you need to be on the second down hole. You see there's an open hole up there, or the 3rd one down. You can go into there. We're going to put this down on the 3rd one down like this, and I will show you how to do that. We're going to start the top bolt. Just get it in there, get it in there loose, couple of threads, and then we're going to tighten up the bottom one. Just snug that up. And now come back up top. Tighten the top one. So now that's in the perfect spot for you. Once you've got that back together and tightened, you're going to take the pre-assembled pieces that we showed earlier, and again make sure that you are spline to spline, and that this shape here on the bottom is on the bottom, because that needs to go around this bolt right here. That's what keeps everything from rotating. And we're just going to put that in the hole here. And I'm going to get this somewhat finger tight and angle it a little bit forward, because we want to kind of guess where you're going to end up with the peg. I'm kind of going at a 45-degree angle right here, but you can do it however you'd like. It's easily adjustable after the fact too. So that gets it mounted to the motorcycle. Now that you have the arm mounted to the bike, it's time to put the clevis on here. Now this is where we talked about the large and the small bolts. You're going to take the small one, make sure that the washer's on it, and we're going to take this clevis, and notice this little piece here, this is on the up side, so you want to have that up. So, you know, just like me, be a screw up. We're going to come up here, this comes in from the back side, and again we'll just get this finger tight, because this is splined, so it's rotatable. And then we'll come back and tighten it up. And I'm not going to tighten it all the way, I'm just going to get it so it'll stay in its spot there. There we go. So now this is rigidly mounted on here. Again, this is adjustable right here, and it's still adjustable down here. So that's the main assembly to get it on the bike. On the other side, it's exactly the same. And again, you can adjust it up or you can adjust it down. The next thing we have to do is put the peg on there. Now the pegs are sold separately, and we are using the Ciro CMX peg with this one. And when you order these, make sure you order pegs with mounts, because you're going to need this piece that goes in here to mount the peg to the bike. So I'll show you how this pre-assembles. It's very easy. Again, it's splined on both sides, so this, you'll be able to rotate that as well. And then it just comes with the screw with the washer on it. Again, make sure that that washer is on there. And we're going to put that on. I'm just going to start that just like that. And we're just going to get this a little bit finger tight right now. Now this is going to go in there, but you're going to want to use this D-washer that came with the adjustable arm kit. And note, on these, there's a flat side and a round side. I've seen a lot of guys try to put them in like this and they don't fit right and the corners stick out. It's flat like this, so it'll fit in there just like that. And then you slide your peg with the notches up. In there. And then you're going to take the longer screw that we showed you earlier, Now that's mounted, we can make some adjustments. Let me show you where you can adjust this to. So if you'd be kind enough to put your foot up on that. I've got this set on the low position right now. So as you can see, it raises your foot up. It gives you a little bit more of a forward-facing area for put your foot. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to raise it now up into the higher position. And like I said, everything is adjustable right here. So this can come up. So we're going to put this really high. And then we're going to adjust that peg too. Going to wiggle it a little bit, make sure you're getting the teeth in there. There we go. And then now you can see the peg is at a strange angle, so we're going to fix that just like this. Get that about where you'd want it. And go ahead and put your foot back on there. Now that's the high position. So as you can see, it gives you multiple areas that you can use to get the most comfortable position you possibly could have. As I mentioned before, with the arm in the forward position, it allows you to stretch out your legs a little bit. Right here, as you see it, it's in the one of the higher positions, which allows you to put your leg up and stretch out your hip. That's really handy for your passenger. Very comfortable. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you see that it's a very easy install with very simple tools. Our adjustable passenger comfort peg mounts come in black or chrome, and for all of the fitment information you need, go to Ciro3D.com and just type in comfort pegs and it'll pop up for you. Thanks for watching. I'm Ken Madden with Ciro3D.com, and have a great ride.